It is a 3-core cable R, Y and B. R, Y and B. Okay. Come to this portion now. This is called as clamp, HV clamp. Okay.
Okay.
This is we called as HV return.
Return.
Okay. So we know that this is the common grounding point for our RYB. For here also. If it is a single core cable, there will be a one screen. If there might be a 3 core is there, 1, 2, 3. The screen is common for both. So what I have to do, I have to connect this one. If I don't know if this core is faulty, okay, cable is faulty. I don't know which core is faulty. Okay. I don't know. I will come. I will just do the connection. I will do the clamp on this R with respect to screen. Then Y with respect to screen. B with respect to screen.
Same screen.
Yeah,
Same
screen.
procedure. For
Just we have to remove this one by one.
one by one.
One by one. Okay. Then you can come to instrument now. First step, if there is fault in cable.
Sir.
First we have to perform IR testing.
IR testing.
First test.
Yeah.
Second.
Yes, one by one. Again, my question is, how much voltage you should inject?
Yes.
In IR, we have to know that we have to inject the voltage. 11 kV cable, you can inject 5 kV, no problem.
5 kV.
In 33
Up to
also,
5 kV.
yeah, you can inject
Up to
10
5
kV
1
also,
kV,
no
2
problem.
kV also.
10 kV also.
Yeah.
Up to 10 kV.
Yeah, you can
Five-
inject. Can inject. Why I am saying, I just give you an example. You can inject in this 10 kV.
10
You
kV.
can inject 5 kV also.
5 kV also. Okay.
Okay. As you will inject the voltage, some resistance values will come.
Must be.
There can be a range of some ohms.
Ohms.
110, 20, 30, less than 100 or less than 1000 ohms.
Less than
Not-
1000
Not
ohm.
999. I am talking about less than 999. Then it can become some ohms. Otherwise, it comes in the range of kilo ohms.
Kilo ohms. 999. Above
Yeah.
999 kilo ohms.
Kilo ohms. Then it comes in the range of mega ohms. Above that,
Mega ohms.
okay. If my resistance values, you are applying 5 kV or 10 kV, no problem. If your resistance values are in the range of ohms,
Ohms.
Yes.
then I will consider from here only that it is a kind of short circuit fault.
Short circuit.
There are 3 types of fault: short circuit,
Open circuit.
open circuit, and third one is pinhole fault.
Pinhole.
Okay. So short circuit fault, maximum, 100% time you will get the values less than 100 ohm or less than 200 ohm.
Okay.
This is the range. of-
Range.
If we measure a value like 120 ohms, we can consider it.
It is a short circuit fault. It is a kind of short circuit fault.
One
Why
kind
I
of
am
short
saying
circuit,
that-
not perfectly short.
Kind of, right. Why I am focusing on that, I have just give you explain in some minutes. It is a kind of this fault. If my resistance values are kilo ohms,
Kilo ohms.
then I can consider it as a pinhole fault.
Pinhole fault.
Like some keel is inserted in the conductor and it is not perfectly gone to the armor. It is in
Gone to
between.
the conductor.
Somehow-
Not
somehow-
armor or conductor.
From the armor, not perfectly to the conductor.
Conductor.
Sometimes it conduct
Just
or
small
sometimes.
Correct. That's
Near-
why
near to
resistance
conductor.
values are in
Kilo ohms.
You know the situation
I
now?
got it.
Pinhole. If the values are coming from here, I will apply ARM method.
ARM.
This is the pre-locating method. Now I consider that this core is faulty. Now where is the total length of the cable. What is the total length of cable? Where is the exact fault?
Exact fault.
So how you can come to know? This is the method.
Yeah,
Arc reflection
full from-
method.
What is the full from?
Full
Yeah,
arc
meaning?
reflection method.
Arc
Arc. Oh, acha.
reflection.
This ARM method is for pinhole
Correct.
and for ohms for short circuit.
Maximum times TDR can only find the fault if it is a perfect dead short fault.
Yes.
If it is a perfect dead short fault,
Okay, then we
TDR
use
can find the fault. How?
TDR for
I will tell you. I will
Okay,
tell you.
okay,
How?
okay.
I will tell you. Just you can think what I am saying. It is the prelocating method. Second prelocating method.
second prelocating method.
Okay. Now if my range is in mega ohms, resistance values are, if I am just coming to the first step only, I am not going to the
Okay.
second step. Mega ohms.
Mega ohms.
Mega ohms.
Though I can consider it is can be a healthy cable. Mega ohm values are coming, can be a healthy cable.
Can be healthy cable.
How you can verify it is a perfect healthy cable or it is a faulty cable?
Yes.
So, suppose it is my 11 kV cable. Okay, now I am coming to my second step, that is DC high port.
DC high port.
In DC high port, you know, we used to just act as a withstanding, that it can withstand this voltage or not.
Or not.
If it is withstanding, we declare
This
that
is
healthy.
a healthy cable.
Actually, now we are we are correcting that this cable is healthy or not.
Yeah,
For that,
for
we are
ensuring that.
ensuring that it is faulty or not. That's why we are injecting this.
But how you can ensure? You have to inject some voltage. Okay.
How much when high port testing is 11 kV cable or 33 cable?
Yeah.
How much voltage will apply?
Okay, right. Good question. 11 kV, you can initially inject 7 kV or 8 kV.
Below
No.
11 kV.
Below 11 kV, initially.
initially.
If the range of kilo ohm fault is there, kilo ohms, definitely it will going to be breakdown at 6 kV, 7 kV, 8 less than something like that, 3 kV also, nature of fault it will depend. If the values are in mega ohms,
Mega ohms.
11
when you
kV.
apply 3 kV, 4 kV or 5 kV,
11 kV cable is there,
Yes.
initially I am injecting 8 kV
8 kV.
or 7 kV, no problem,
Okay, okay.
in first step.
And
There can be a condition in the cable that whole 7 kV it will withstand. Whole 7 kV.
withstand this cable.
Withstand because resistance values are in mega ohms.
Mega ohms. Okay.
But fault is there,
Okay.
For,
tripping is there. You
tripping
can
is
say
there, so-
tripping is there.
So that they fault somewhere it has
how
a
much
fault.
current flow this leakage current flow this?
Leakage will be if
moisture
there
is
you have
high.
if a high breakdown, maximum you can go 200 million, 300 million, higher leakage current. So what you have to do, you just increase the voltage in each step. 8 kV you can apply, 9 kV you can apply. This is the not in the real condition. This is a 1 or 2% chances are there, but you should unaware of the chances. You should not get hopeless. Oh, what I have to do. So I am awareing you about the situation that cable can come. You can apply 8 kV or 9 kV or 10 kV, no problem. 100% breakdown will occur. Instrument will automatically detect and it will give you the information.
Information. Leakage information.
Leakage is not
current.
effect. Not-
Leakage current
Huh.
and resistance.
Okay. So first step is IR done,
We are done.
DC done.
This is done.
Third step is our TDR or you can say ARM. Or you can say in DC you can apply if it's a 33 kV cable, you can apply 20 kV,
20 kV.
no problem.
33 cable. Initially
Actually,
applied
for 11 kV cable, one core bears the 6.35 kV.
It's U naught voltage.
We are U naught, but we are injecting 7 to 8 kV. It's not.
It is for a minute.
For a minute. Okay. Maximum is the 9 kV. Maximum.
9 kV you can go up to 10 kV also.
Up to 10 kV.
Up
Up
to
to
10.
below 11 kV.
Okay. Okay.
below
We
11
got it,
kV.
we got it. That means what is the times of U naught? 1.5 U naught.
You can divide by 1.5, you get the answer.
Okay.
So what I am trying to say that three types of
আচ্ছা
fault.
যদি কেবল আপনার ইয়া হয় হেলদি হয় তাহলে কত কি দিতে পারবো? ধরেন যে আমি 9 কেবি দিলাম,
1 মিনিট দিবেন, আপনি ফল্ট না হলে 10 কেবিতে ফল্ট হবে না, তাহলে আপনি বুঝবেন যে হেলদি আছে।
1 মিনিট কতক্ষণ অ্যাপ্লাই করে দেবেন? তো বেশি করে অ্যাপ্লাই তো আমার করার প্রয়োজন নেই।
So I said you short circuit fault, open circuit and pinhole. Three types of fault. My TDR can have the enough capability to find short circuit and open circuit. I don't have to inject high voltage and find the fault. If it is a perfect dead shot, TDR can automatically find. Okay. If it is an open circuit, TDR can give you the fault location. Okay. So let us consider it is a short circuit fault. Resistance values are some less than 100 ohm.
100 ohms.
Okay.
Okay.
So what is the principle of TDR? TDR will inject 100 voltage pulse.
100 voltage pulse.
100 volt only.
100 volt।
100 volt only.
It will inject in the cable and it will return from the path. From the conductor only. Let us suppose it is a cable. So my question is from where it will return? If it is going from here, from where it will return?
Where the fault is.
Return path is armor.
If the fault is here, then
TDR,
TDR.
return path is conductor only.
Conductor only.
If the change of impedance is infinite, means
This is the open circuit.
cable is open at the far end. So
Open
from there TDR will reflect
Reflect.
and it will give you the graph like this.
You have positive peak or negative.
Positive. But how to know that this far end is the last end of the cable or it is a open circuit fault? Suppose TDR is showing positive peak open at 300 meter. You are fighting with me. You are saying my cable is 500 meter. What is this? How to get ensure? What I will do? I will do shorting at far end. Phase with respect to armor.
Armor. Okay.
As I do shorting, impedance will be zero.
Zero. Zero. Turns to zero.
If I am doing shorting at the far end, if this positive peak is directly converting to negative peak here only,
When armor and conductor is short,
the
this
peak is
style,
same.
This
Peak will not be
the
same. It will be a
This is the
negative
phase
peak.
Negative peak.
yeah, there will be a change in
Amplitude
the
same.
peak. Yeah, amplitude will be same. There will be a negative peak because of I have done zero short circuit there. Then it will show you the negative peak. If it is converting negative peak at there only, it means it is the last end. If it is not converting, is still showing positive only, it means there is fault in between the cable. So TDR is finding short circuit fault and open circuit fault both. By doing shorting, peak is changing. When the last end is there, positive peak is showing. So TDR can itself find both type of fault.
স্যার
Now coming to ARM.
মেশিনের এখানে আসছে স্যার, ওই যে মেশিনটা চালানোর জন্য গ্রাউন্ড
It is most important, most
জি স্যার।
method used in the field. It is the combination of plus surge generator.
Surge generator. Surge generator up to
32 kV.
32 kV.
So what will happen as you open the TDR? ARM method. As you will open, so what will happen? In the cable, one pulse will go, low voltage pulse of 100 volt will go,
100 volt.
and it will tell you the total distance of the cable. Let us suppose it is my cable. It will, at the last point, it will show you the total distance. Let us suppose 500 meter.
Total length of the cable.
I am considering fault at this point.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Sir.
so TDR work is over now. TDR is showing me the total distance of the cable. Now I have to know the fault distance. What I will do, I have to apply the voltage from the surge generator.
Surge generator.
Okay. My question is, how much voltage should I inject in the cable?
How much voltage?
What is the range?
Faulty cable.
Yeah, this is the faulty cable. Fault is at this position. How much voltage should I inject? So the answer is
2 kilometer, 2 kilovolt greater than the breakdown voltage.
breakdown voltage plus 2 kV you can add,
Yes.
or breakdown into 1.5 kV.
Okay.
This is the thumb rule.
Thumb rule.
Yeah. But as per field experience, you can inject more also, above 3 kV, 4 kV, if you want to get a good ground. Okay. So TDR will tell you the total length of the cable. Now surge generator, what will you do? We have to apply the voltage. Voltage, what I have to apply? Above the breakdown voltage.
Above the breakdown voltage.
Above the
And 1.5 times.
yeah, or 1.5 times. So
It's possible.
Up to 1.5 times.
It's possible 2
1.6
times or 2 times or 3 times.
you can apply. You can apply. If the breakdown is 3 kV, you can apply 5 kV or 6 kV also, no problem. But not more voltage. So as you will apply the voltage, if fault is here, what will happen? There will be a arcing for some millisecond. Because of that arc, gap is 0 now. Gap is 0.
Gap is 0. This is the short circuit.
So the graph will come like this. It will follow the characteristics of cable up to here. It will follow the characteristics of cable.
Yes, something like this. Yes.
Negative peak.
As you will get the negative peak because of arcing at fault point, you will get a negative peak, and then it follows the characteristics of
This
cable.
is the length of the faulty cable. I'm showing this.
Yeah, this is the fault point.
fault
Maybe
point.
XYZ जो भी होगा वो,
Distance.
or 200 meters.
Distance की देखा मैंने तो exact बोला नहीं।
Okay. This is the most important method you should learn in today's session also.
Yes.
So have a good hands-on. Let's try with IR testing.
Okay. First step.
This is the home screen. This is the home screen.
Yeah, home screen. This is touch screen also.
Installation test. Test.
In test, there is an option of DC testing.
Okay, okay.
This is for
Firstly, we
IR test.
start from here.
Yes.
তাহলে প্রেস করলে হবে।
how much voltage you have to inject.
এটা তো 33 কেবি না? Then 20 কেবি।
5 kV.
No, okay. Apply 5 kV, no problem.
Open to so to say.
Then
Anything else should be set? Nothing.
Nothing.
না, enter
Okay. Press A to active the mode.
Again,
What is
enter.
this?
Enter.
Hot.
No.
enter
Oh,
same
Current.
Yeah.
Electricity. Machine down করলো।
হ্যাঁ, করেন।
আচ্ছা আপনি ভিডিও করেন আমাকে দিন
কোনটা যেটা
ভাই মোবাইল গরম হয়ে গেছে?
কাটদা আমার কাছ থেকে নিয়ে নেবো সমস্যা কি
আরে স্ক্রিন ভিডিও বলা
ইসলাম কেমন আছেন?
স্ক্রিন দেখা যায় বলেন।
জি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
তো এখন তো স্ক্রিন অফ আসলে
আসুক এখন পর্যন্ত ধরে বই রয়েছে
না না অফিসে
বন্ধুদের মতো।
ই আছে
আমি এবার on
ট্রেনিং
হচ্ছে।
আছে।
কর্পোরেটর টিসি দেন তখন থেকে
জি জি
নিচে রাখি
হ্যাঁ
আজকে প্রচন্ড গরম
হ্যাঁ
কালকেও ছিল
It's not good when azan is there and they are working.
নাম সহ লাগবে তো?
They are seeing some images in the sky.
দিলাম
Scientific fact.
দেব
দেন
আমি দেই আমি হাঁটছি।
10 kV.
কত দেবে
10
10
wait hey Raj,
এরপর আবার প্রেস
this is for return.
হ্যাঁ
This is for return.
Yes, and
Return.
this is for
Activation. Start mode.
start mode, and this
U nominal.
নমিনাল
nominal means
আচ্ছা এই
Voltage range. Voltage range.
ভোল্টেজ
and here.
Memories. It will automatically save the result.
Okay. Then this of course.
System is switching.
সময় নেমে গেছে
HPO.
এই দেখেন এই মেদি ভাই
মেহেদি ভাই দেখেন
এই 10 কেবি
How much voltage you have to inject?
10.
10 কেবি
So you can inject 10 kV.
Oh, this is the first
Actual
level
voltage. It is the first the range. Now it will ask how much voltage you have to inject.
ইনজেক্ট করবো
Yeah, inject.
কমলি নাকি
Then দিলি হবে।
ভাই দিয়ে দেন এখন যাচ্ছে না
দিলাম
আপনারা ওদিক থেকে সরেন হাই ভোল্টেজ
Only 3.3 kV is going.
Yes.
0.3
And you can see that resistance values are some kilo ohms.
Kilo
or
ohms.
some ohms is there.
Ohms to kilo ohms.
Yeah. In between it is there. Or you can say it is decreasing now. So
Okay.
it is a kind of short circuit.
নট
The
পারফেক্ট
test
Not perfect.
stop.
Yeah, you can say stop, no problem.
Oh,
you
this
can
is- this
understand.
হাউ মাচ টাইম ইনজেক্ট
It will continuously.
কন্টিনিউয়াসলি
Until we
you
until
stop. Yes.
when you stop
I can I have to store or automatically store.
Automatically.
Okay. Press for stop or here.
Wait. If you want to stop, first you do U nominal 0. This is for reliability, increasing the reliability. You can do directly off also. But
Okay, okay.
for
directly
better
opposite this
reliability.
button or this button
Then this.
That means I have to go for U nominal and
Decrease the
decrease the 0 and then to
HV
stop.
off.
Okay, got it.
Okay, now it is a kind of short circuit fault. Okay,
How is the last result is?
you can see.
Okay.
Pressing this.
Yes.
Wait. Press this like this. You can save. Automatically it is saving.
12:45 করে 12:24 এখন 59 বাজে
Okay.
টাইম ঠিক না
লাস্টেরটা অন্তত
12:09
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে কিন্তু 12:34 দেখো
1 बजे
একটা বাজে না সেপ্টেম্বর
It will come. Wait, it will come sometime. You just perform the testing first. It will automatically save. Don't worry. So next is DC testing.
Okay.
টেস্ট
Test.
DC test is return
Yes, return.
and sheet test.
সিট টেস্ট
There are two modes in there: DC and sheet.
Okay. Why we have to do sheet test? Sorry. Is there any return
Don't put your.
errors? Any return button?
This is the return. This
For why we use the sheet test?
sheet test. If you want to do the sheet testing of cable.
Yes.
মিস্টার সিরাজ
Not for only sheet testing, but it is not for the fault determination. We need not to do it.
You can do.
We can do.
If you want to do sheet testing also, you can perform with same instrument.
Mr. Siraj, when we testing the seating of the cable, this cable is connected to the seating.
Connection is same,
Connection is same. Also,
but conductor, main clamp,
main clamp is connecting
connecting
the
to
seat.
screen, and HV return should be connected to ground.
Ground.
Sir,
All connection are same.
All connection.
স্যার ফোন দিছেন না গেছে স্যার আমার কাছ থেকে ও আচ্ছা স্যার ঠিক আছে
Then you can do DC testing now.
ওকে
As you can see, the resistance values are lower. Even if it is a 33 kV cable also, you
33
don't
kV
have to
also.
inject high voltage.
5 kV
You can inject 5 kV, 6 kV, 8 kV, no problem.
10 kV?
10 kV রেঞ্জ ওকে
10 kV take, enter,
এন্টার
পরে তো আবার চেঞ্জ করতে
press, start this activate mode. System is switching, HV on. Now it will ask how much voltage you have to inject.
I think this is enough.
Okay. Enter.
accept.
Breakdown.
You break down is 0 kV. Fault current is this. Okay.
This is showing the short circuit.
Breakdown level is 0 between voltage and current.
Voltage and current.
But you will get a graph, no problem. It is not a perfect dead shot, I know, because if it is a perfect dead shot, my TDR can itself find the fault.
Okay.
You have to come to pre-location. Pre. After testing, you have to go for pre-location.
Pre-location.
Just enter. You have to go in ARM, enter.
Oh, wait. From where we are here.
From pre.
We
Test?
are here.
Yeah.
Here.
Insulation.
ইনসুলেশন
Installation
দেন
প্রথমে, তারপরে
টেস্ট
ডিসি, তারপরে
Okay.
হচ্ছে টিডিআর আছে, তারপরে এআরএম আছে না?
লাস্ট
Pre-location.
ওই
Last pre-location. Last we have done testing.
টেস্টিং
Yeah. Enter. You have done DC.
ওকে 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 রিটার্ন ওকে আফটার ডিসি টেস্ট
Pre-location.
pre-location TDR is not needed
TDR is not needed on this.
when
See, why?
oh, yes
Why?
why
Answer
not
is
needed?
here. Answer is here. When you will select ARM,
yes
first TDR will go. Suppose you take the range 8 kV, okay?
okay
Or you can take higher kV range, no problem. Higher kV range, select 16 kV range. As you say start to activate this mode.
System is switching.
তাহলে প্রি লোকেশনটা দেখছি একবারে। তারপরে
Press SV on. So, what is this? This is TDR.
yes
So in TDR, I can perform this function only. I cannot do more testing. It is showing that cable length is approx. The cable length is approx
34
meter.
meter.
But if
ওইদিকে যায় না।
সমস্যা নেই।
the cable length is
30.5.
34 or 35 meter approx. 35 meter approx. Or you can say this is the exact distance. 35.3 something.
How
Where the
come?
positive peak is starting.
okay okay
It is the total length of cable. Now, suppose this is showing me at 3.5 kilometers. Let us suppose.
okay
How I can ensure this is the last end of the cable or it is fault in between?
okay
What I will do?
short
Shorting at far end.
Shorting at far end,
This
other
positive
end.
peak will convert to negative here only.
Yes.
If it is the last end of
I
cable.
got it
If it is a not last end of cable, it will show positive only. Instead of doing shorting also,
Shorting.
it will show positive.
positive okay
When the
Okay.
showing this
Okay.
positive peak,
Please.
then this time is cable fault in the other part.
No. Yes, you can say it is the other part. Yes, it is the positive peak meant total distance of the cable. Just enter OK. It will ask you. You have to take fault graph now. To take where is the exact fault distance. It will ask how much voltage you have to inject. In TDR, you cannot do this much. You cannot get fault graph. You cannot go. But in ARM, you can take TDR also as well as fault graph also.
then we don't need the TDR
Yeah, no problem.
no problem but when we do ARM then we got both of them
Both options. That's why I am saying. I will show you in ARM also. Just you can apply 6 kV, 7 kV also to get the good graph and sparking. Take the range 16 kV and apply 7 kV. See, it will ask you for single shot. As you will enter,
how can we ask for single shot
see, just as you increase this 7 kV you have
7 kV.
selected,
Okay.
enter 7 kV.
enter 7 kV
It will ask voltage will ramp up automatically, but it's not injected.
okay not
It will ask for single shot. This option will enable it automatically. Just you have to enter.
okay
I have to go back. Can I go back from starting?
yes from starting
TDR is going. Let's start from it. So from the positive peak where it is starting, it means this is not total. The positive peak it is starting, it is the last end of the cable. From where it is starting.
This is the open circuit.
Yeah, open circuit you can say.
Open circuit.
As you will back reference graph, this is the reference graph. When
Done.
you have to take fault graph, just enter. It will ask for voltage selection. Suppose I am giving 7 kV. Okay.
okay
See, off now, automatically on. 7 kV is there. Just we have to give single shot now. There will be arcing at fault point. You listen the spark.
yes listen
This is your fault graph.
the same
Because the
negative.
negative peak. Negative peak means because arcing filled that gap and it got deviated. This is the fault point at the last end of the cable. And you can select multiple trace also. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose if my TDR is coming from the last end of cable and it got attenuated, because long length of cable or multiple joint, then you cannot get the graph. But if you have a multiple fault graph option, you can just analyze that. So if you will do U nominal 0, just as for reliability, it will slowly come. But if you just put this, it will directly come to 0.
How you can set the single shot or double shot?
No, only single shot
Only
will be
single
there. Yes.
Okay, now the ARM is finished.
Yeah, ARM is finished.
Yeah.
Just we have to do HV off then we can perform the action. Now I can understand that my cable length is approx 35-36 meters.
Okay,
Fault is at last distance. You identified that?
identified.
Then in this case you can directly cut the last end of the cable. But let us understand, if the cable length is 100 meter and fault point is 35 meters.
This positive peak and negative peak is not same.
What?
Amplitude not same.
Amplitude will not be same because it is getting deviated at fault point. That's why amplitude is not same. This is the fault graph. This is the reference graph.
Reference graph. This is the reference graph.
Yeah,
This is the
blue
fault.
one, yeah.
Last session you off the SB.
HV off,
After a single shot, we should off the SB. The voltage always here presence in this instrument.
No, once you do the HV off, no, voltage will be 0. Then you can touch the cable or something like that. When this off, then you can touch.
Okay.
Now you understand that, suppose my cable length is 100 meter. 35 is the fault distance. But where exactly 35 meter is? To get this, we have to go in pinpointing. Pinpointing, surging, we have to select again range. Suppose I am taking
30 kV, how much?
maximum 32 kV is there.
Maximum.
Yeah,
Up to 32 kV.
yeah, maximum surging is 32 kV. So you can select 16 kV range. 16 kV range. Yes, enter.
This surging, huh?
Yeah. Enter.
What should be the value?
What value?
32 kV নিচে দেন তাহলে হবে
16 kV select
Why 16 kV?
to get the good sound of the graph. Sound
For surging.
and pinpointing. To where exactly you have to dig.
Okay.
Because I will show you this option also.
For surging, we have to inject greater value or the same value or the lower value when we got.
nominal value of the cable.
See what you are injecting in ARM, taking the range 16
Yes.
kV, you are
ARM.
applying 7 kV. You can also apply. But if it is a short circuit fault, if you will take lower range, you will not get a good sound in pinpointing. But if you will select higher range and apply 10 kV,
Okay, I got it. I'm concerning with that. If in ARM mode we have applied 8 kV and got the result, and for the pinpointing, if we apply more value, the machine will not affected.
not affected.
Okay.
Depending upon the cable also you have to consider. Because it is a 33 kV cable, we can apply 10 kV, no problem.
Okay, got it.
But let us take your point only. Take 8 kV range, apply 7 kV, no problem.
Lower range 8 kV.
Yeah, minimum 8 kV range.
Minimum 8 kV.
Auto and
Surge rate. After how much second one surge will go?
what is the practice?
Yeah, I will tell you. 6 to 7 seconds is the practice.
6 to 7.
6 to 7.
Okay,
5 seconds.
You can select any time. In generally we used to follow this part, 6 seconds.
3 to 10 seconds.
Yeah, time is there.
I can guess.
After 6 seconds, one surge will go.
Okay.
Now you have to take this instrument and feel where is the fault point.
সরেন বলতেছে তারপরে সরেন
Okay.
Continuous.
Why we are
Continuous,
searching
how much?
for visualization this?
Suppose this is an underground cable.
Yes.
How you can identify where exact 35 meter is? Where you have to dig.
I got it. Actually, from when this is in the underground, actually we don't see this. We just
Visualize
we have to hear.
here and
Okay.
see also. This is a digiphone.
Okay.
তার মানে আছে তো
সাপ করে না দেখেন না এরকম।
So as I on this, I will show you the function. How you can
how you can use this?
use this, and little bit analysis pattern is there that you have to do.
Okay.
Because this all I can do up to surging, give you the online support. But this you have to do manually.
how much short?
Okay. Actually, all
It depends upon if you find in 6 shot.
6
You
shot.
just off.
Automatically 6 shot.
No.
After 6
it is continuous. process.
Continuous after 6 seconds.
আপনি যত কন্টিনিউস চলতেই থাকবে আপনি যতক্ষণ না পর্যন্ত মানে এটাকে পিন পয়েন্ট করতে পারবেন আপনি
6 সেকেন্ড পর
যতক্ষণ না পর্যন্ত বন্ধ করবেন চলতেই
6
থাকবে
সেকেন্ড পর পর এই যে বাইর করছে
Holding
জাদু
right.
বক্স।
আমরা হলো যে প্রথম ড্যাস করে এটা এরকম ফল বাইর করছে হচ্ছে যে শ্যামলি দিয়ে একবারে ঘাড়ে তারি মানে টাবিকে দিয়ে মানুষ তো সবাই টাকা দিয়েছে কিরে কি সময়
You can
কোন জায়গায় করছিলেন?
এটা তো আসলে
না।
আমরা গেলে
Lead.
এখন তো এমনি শোনা যায়।
normal this to listen the sound.
ও আচ্ছা একটা কাজ করা যায় নরমালি কেমন শুনতেছে আর এটা দিয়ে কেমন শুনতেছে এটা দেখা দরকার।
You have to connect this.
Yes. অ্যানাকোন্ডা ধরতে যাবো এখন
এটা কানেক্ট করতে হবে তো তাহলে এটা।
অ্যানাকোন্ডার মধ্যেই তো মাটি দিতে হবে শব্দ শুনলি গান গেছে লাভ নাই
Okay. 2 connections only.
How to connect the hook?
It's connected. It is normal. Red to red. Connected. See.
ওপেন
এটা দেখেন এটা
Open.
ওকে
Connect.
রেড টু রেড হয়ে দিয়ে
Connected. Red to red. Connected. No.
নো
problem.
প্রেসার নো পুল
No. Just
ইজিলি
just as a measure.
Okay.
Normally. So we have to just how to do. Suppose surging is on now. Let us suppose we have to put this like this. Analyze here what bar graph is coming. I will show you what bar graph is coming, what time is coming. Then what you have to do accordingly. We have to see this. Now I am doing the surging on. Then we can proceed with this. Okay.
এটা লাগে এটা সুবিধাতে বুঝছেন অরেঞ্জিনিয়ান
One option I am showing. As there is no surging, nothing is there.
নাথিং ইজ দেয়ার
It will not update. It will just fluctuate little bit only. As soon as there is a surging,
For getting the better sound, you can
take the range 16 kV in this cable.
কেউ নাই দেওয়ার আশেপাশে
and দুপুর লাঞ্চ টাইম
এই সময় ভালো হয়েছে শব্দ শুনতে পাইতো অনেক জোরে জোরে আওয়াজ
এনাফ
7 kV. Joules also matters. You will not get a good sound. Also. 69 kV is okay. No problem.
because it is on the ground it is okay.
Now it is start working little bit.
এটা কিন্তু উপরে আছে একটু ভালো করে বুঝাই
Come.
এদিকে যান এখন এটা কোনটা দোস্ত
এটা দিয়ে দেখি কেমন শোনা যায়
In every surge it will update. Cable is like this. This green one is the cable.
Yes.
You are 7.3 millisecond before the fault. If this is coming, you just have to follow the route of the cable.
Okay.
Up to now, no sound is there. You can hear. No sound is there. you don't have to. If you are on this, you are on the top of the cable.
হ্যাঁ সবচেয়ে
If the millisecond, if it is millisecond is start coming, just follow the route of the cable.
এখানে করবেন না
Come.
লাঞ্চ পরে করব
Just
আপনারা
step
করে নেন।
1 meter away only.
ট্রেনিং এর কি করব
See the distance. Oh, it is getting dark. So what you have to do, just follow the length.
রেস্টুরেন্টে
Okay. Wait. One 7.5 or bar graph is little bit there. You are right. Just follow the.
Wait, if this instrument is a little bit far,
Yeah. Come.
কারণ আমি তো কেবল এক্স্যাক্টলি লোকেট করতে পারবো জানি না হোয়েন আন্ডারগ্রাউন্ড কেবল লেইং ইন দিস রোড
Yeah. So
we can have exact location.
you have to do like this then. It is still showing this path. So you have to come front and you have to do like this. Wait for the second shot. It is showing like this. Like this you have to put. You just because it can give you the approximation, length and trace where the cable is going from. You should have to know. So 7.4 is dark. You just follow the route of it.
how can I trace the cable?
It is not a tracer. It is only a pinpoint.
I have to know before this where the cable is.
Right.
Trace করতে পারবো না।
রুট হচ্ছে তার একটা
Millisecond is lesser now. Then proceed further. 3.6 milliseconds. Just come. Now you are getting sound or not? Sound will be there. So where you are getting maximum sound and lesser millisecond, it means this is the fault. 2.9 millisecond. You are on the right of the cable. Getting sound. You have to come. That millisecond will be lower, sound will be lower. You have to dig that. And within the fault line.
When it is under the ground, then it will get.
Abhi sound is coming. We should hear this sound. This is the fault sound. Learn this sound. You are going to pinpoint it.
আমরা তাই করব
Red mark is bar graph. This bar graph between electromagnetic wave and
ভিডিও
acoustic.
দিয়েছি প্লাস এটা ধরলে
This
এটা দিলে ছবি
I will tell you the concept. I will tell you concept. You just read the marking.
Okay. One thing I learned that the
শুনতেছেন সাউন্ড
find the 1 or 0 millisecond.
But not zero will not be there. 1, 2, 3.
Lesser value.
Lesser value.
This is the I got this very clear.
কথা শোনা যায় সব
But I cannot got this.
I will tell. This is the symbol of cable. You are on the right, left. Off.
না সাবির ভাই অফ করার জন্য অফ করে
Stop.
ইমার্জেন্সি সব করে দিবা
এখনো পরে জোরে খাওয়া তো এটার সেন্সিটিভিটি কমে গেছে
Okay. Come. When you are doing this, it should not be. This part should not be with this part,
Touch.
touching. Otherwise, it will show negative cross sign.
এটা সাজেন করো টাচ বা কাছাকাছি না
When you are, if you are, this is for the safety. When you are holding this up, no sound will come. Surging will be going on.
But no
This
sound.
no sound, it will not operate.
Okay.
You can, it's per your choice. You can just on that option or off that option. It's your choice.
Okay.
How? See this. Red. See this
Cross.
cross. Now DB.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Got it.
Got it.
Another feature. Background noise rejection to remove
Light noise cancellation.
noise cancellation. Right.
Huh.
This is APM, automatic proximity mute.
Okay.
When you will hold, this will mute.
Mute.
When you will release, on automatically.
Okay.
You will on off accordingly.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
So basically this is the two settings only, or you can just set this also fault direction on, no problem. This is the two settings which you have to on and nothing. You
Nothing.
don't have to do with this.
Okay.
You just have to increase or decrease the volume. It's up to you.
Okay.
No problem. So where you are getting lesser millisecond, higher sound, this is the fault point.
Wait. Okay. Please.
Now
This
it will
level-
not update because surging is off now.
Okay. Okay. Every pulse, this is updating.
Every 6 seconds, what you have selected.
This is the direction, right?
Yeah.
And this is from left side. That means the cable is in the left side.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
and
And
point is when the fault that point like this point is showing 5 milliseconds
Yeah.
like this was 1 millisecond.
Yeah.
If we cross the faulty
Then it
position
is greater.
then it again
Again greater.
increase the
Increase
millisecond.
greater, and if the connection is good, everything is good, surging is going good, it will show you one option. You have to come back.
yeah, right.
No.
Like
Here
this.
only it will show like this. You have
Yes,
to come
yes.
back. I will draw.
Okay, got it.
fault cross করে গেলে
And how does
This is I am going to explain you.
Okay. Please.
This is theory part.
আপনি তো দিয়ে গেছিলেন গা আপনি তো আবার ওই সাইড চলে যেতে লাগছিল
Then you bring on the surge on. Okay. And you are standing before, suppose fault distance is showing 200 meter.
Okay.
Okay. You have to start always before 40-50 meter before. Because I don't know, cable is going from ups and downs, cable is looping somewhere. So there can be a 200 meter, not exactly AR 200 meter here only. So before 40 meters, like you are standing at first position. You surge on, 6 seconds is the surge rate, applies the voltage, surging is going on. There is the bar graph here. What is this? This is the electromagnetic field and the acoustic sound.
Acoustic sound.
Acoustic sound related to sound.
Sound.
Means when you are at first position, there will be a surge will go, electromagnetic field will be developed at fault point,
Okay.
and it will come back. It will tell you that you are suppose 30 milliseconds before the fault.
Okay.
30 milliseconds before the fault.
Before sound will come or not?
Will come.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Can be a chance.
Can be chance.
Because as you are more distance away from the fault, there can be not any chance sound will come.
Right.
Suppose 30 milliseconds you are getting a little bit sound you are getting. Suppose take an example. Now second position. As you are approaching towards the fault, this millisecond in the
Decrease.
Decreasing.
millisecond will decrease.
Yes.
Suppose
Yes.
20.
20.
This 30 will come here. This is the last position. This is the updated position. Okay. Now if you are reaching towards
Sorry, 30 is coming.
30 is this last position.
Last position.
Last position updated to this point, right hand side. New one updated to this part.
20 milliseconds.
20 minutes.
This in the bar.
Yeah. No. Main home screen.
Main home screen. Okay.
Bar will will tell you
Where-
that you
where?
are approaching right or not.
30, 20 where?
Here,
Here. Oh, I got it.
কি হয়েছে এখন?
Means if
আমি বুঝে বলবো
last position will update here, new position will update here.
ও
ধরেন আপনি তারার দিকে যাইতেছেন, এখন আপনি এই জায়গায় দাঁড়াইছেন, বলছে যে এখনো 500 মিটার দূরে, ঠিক আছে?
If-
আপনি একটু সামনে গিয়ে আবার দাঁড়াইলেন,
তাহলে তো কমবে।
তখন বলবে যে আগে যেখানে দাঁড়ানোছেন সেখান থেকে 500 মিটার, এখান থেকে 490 মিটার, ঠিক আছে? আপনি
কিন্তু এটা টাইম হিসেবে দেখাবে, তাই তো?
So
টাইম হিসেবে দেখাবেন।
টাইম হিসেবে দেখা
আমি-
আমাকে ওই যে ইয়ে দিয়ে
so
এটা
where-
সুবিধাটা কি? ধরেন আপনি যদি উল্টো দিকে যান তাহলে বাড়বে, আর যদি সামনের দিকে যান তাহলে কমবে। গট ইট।
where you are getting lesser
শব্দটা শোনার যে সময়টা কাউন্ট করে
Millisecond.
নিয়েছে,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
number 1 and
দেখি
sound
সময়টা লাগতেছে।
সময়টা লাগবে, ওটা আগে না পরে হচ্ছে সময়টা।
maximum. This is the fault point.
Yes.
And if you this is
This is
the
general
basic
sense.
journal funda, nothing else.
Nothing else. Okay.
So in this green will update that what is the
Position.
পজিশন অফ কেবল
they say
Okay. This.
paper is
Oh,
there.
I know.
So cable position
কেবল পজিশন
means you are on the left of the cable, right on the cable. As you said, if you don't know where is the route of the cable, you don't go for pinpoint.
এক্সাক্ট রুট
Yes. Please.
You don't have to go, because if you are standing, suppose here, cable is going before 5, 10, 20 meters away from you,
ওকে
this machine will not perfectly. This pinpointing device will not work perfectly. If you
how
are
much
standing
distance
here,
how much distance between the cable and
2 to 3 meters.
2 or 3 meters
If you are
Yeah,
left,
this is
or
not a
right.
big deal because we have an approximate data from the TDR method, right?
But TDR will tell you the distance.
Distance.
But not from where it is going from. There it is going. There it is going. How? That you have to know. Either you have a drawing,
limit is 2
I have drawing for
3
the-
meter only
কি ভাই কি
means you are standing now, right now. Here standing. It can tell 2 meters you have to push right, or 2 meters you have to push left. Depth is not an issue. 5-6 meters not an issue. Depth inside
Maximum depth,
6 to 7 meters. You can get a good sound.
good sound.
But if the cable I am saying going from this part 10-15 meters away, then you are finding the route that where is the green line. It will not give you.
I
the
got it.
direction. For this, there is a separate tool called that you have done in cable route tracer. It will tell you the exact route of the cable from where it is going. That is the principle of cable route tracer, not this.
We have this or not?
No, you have not purchased.
And cobble root tracer is a accessories like this using
Cable route tracer is an optional accessory.
Optional accessories or independent equipment.
Independent. Right. There is a transmitter and one receiver is there.
I got it.
So by this you can do that.
আরেকটা দাঁত চিন্তা ভাবনা করতেছি আর কি
না, একটা হলো যে এটার সাথে অ্যাড করলেই হবে, আর একটা হলো একদম আলাদা। তাহলে আলাদা-
এর সাথে অ্যাড করতে পারবেন,
এর সাথে অ্যাড করতে
অ্যাক্সেসরিটা নিলে
সবগুলো তো এটার সাথে অ্যাড করে দিলেন না কেন
So
সবগুলো তো
okay,
add
you got it now?
চাইলে তো দাম বাড়ে যাবে।
আপনারা বলছেন
Oh,
Bar graph. It will come when the surging is on. So when you are towards the fault, it will going to be update more.
সাবমেরিনে হয়তো আছে,
But when you are not on the cable, it will not give you something.
সাবমেরিনে ছাড়া হবে না।
You have to go left,
ওটা main
right,
কাজই হচ্ছে
according
তুমি
to
test
your
করা।
go. If you have the drawing of the cable from where it is going, you can use.
right now we have do not need this like that.
Right now, when you are not doing the pinpointing,
Yes.
then you don't need this. You just off.
And when pinpointing, we need this.
This bar graph means you are on the right track or not.
You just tell me is right track or not.
And millisecond will come after.
Millisecond we got it. If there is no value, then we are
No, you are on the not on the cable.
not on the cable.
Yeah. It is not sensing anything basically.
মিটার পার সেকেন্ড
How does F1 F2?
F1 F2 means you can functionalize this. What if you want to press F1, something will come. If you want to press F2,
I
something.
know, but
Here it is the sound, or you can customize it. F1, F2. F1
Oh.
is sound is here.
okay, no, not
You can
not
adjust
customize.
anything.
Not
Brother, it is
চুলে
showing us
অ্যাডজাস্ট
the
করতে পারবেন আর কি
time,
F1 দিয়ে আপনি কি কাজ করতে পারবেন
digital sound.
S is equal to VT.
Not in.
Distance is calculate and T is equal to S by V.
আর যেমনে করে করুক ইলেকট্রোম্যাগনেটিক মধ্যে করে করে প্রিন্সিপাল জানি আমি কি ডিজাইন করব
না না সেটা না এমনি জানতে তো
Oh,
সমস্যা
he
নেই
wants to know how it
টাইম ইজ
works.
ক্যালকুলেশন দিস ইজ দ্য টাইম
Basically, electromagnetic field.
field.
It is showing the time distance between electromagnetic field and acoustic.
Sound and field.
Acoustic, sound, and electromagnetic
Oh,
field.
is it-
That is developing between the fault point and where you are standing.
No, I mean he is asking if the sound is traveling there and is coming back. The time is the this time, the suppose 20 millisecond. Then it means the 20 millisecond the sound is going there and it's reflecting back to
Back
my
to
head.
the here.
Back to the
Yeah,
here.
right.
And it's at the speed of 332 meter per second.
Speed
That's
of
the
the
speed
sound.
of sound.
Use the speed of the sound.
Okay, got it.
Can be here. This can be. This is the perfect sound.
Because these two
The
is
starting point is the same.
That's why.
Why starting point is same? You know that fault is at starting point only.
Yes.
Understand the nature of fault. I am not doing anything.
অটোমেটিক তখন স্যার যে 34 মিটার আসছে
उधर वहाँ से वो सेंस कर रहा था.
0 means
You have to go this side. Near to.
থাকেন ভাই কেবল
ওইখানে তুলে
এখানে দারুণ করে এই কারণে স্যার ইয়ারের মাধ্যমে
I think one instrument is here.
ওইটা টাইম আপনার ওই সাউন্ড টাচটা আমার দেয়ার স্মল কন্ট্রাক্টর
They purchase one high port from India.
I don't know the customer.
Just come.
আগের লোকেশন আর বাম পাশে
Now see. Now 5 here now. So it means that you are going approaching towards the fault. Number one. You have to give little bit steps and focus on sound also.
Yes.
At the
Attention on sound.
come. You are standing same position. Forward time.
বলেন দেখি ভাই কত আসছে এবার
মিস্টার মেহরাজ
কত আসছে টাইম 3.5 আগের লোকেশন ছিল কত 4.5 দেখি ভাই অ্যারো ডিরেকশনটা দেখি
Come. Cable is going cable is going like this. As it is showing. See, wait. It will show front now. Let's see. Wait. Straight. You are 2.7 milliseconds. 2.7. Little bit sound is coming or not? Little bit.
মানে আমরা এখন আমার টাইমটা আসার
নো স্যার তবে
না এটা বামের ডান পাশে 2.9
এটার সাথে লাগতে পারবে না তো
বামেরটা লাগানো যাবে নতুন আর ডানেরটা হচ্ছে আপনার 2.7 এখন আছে এটা দেখেন আমার বাম পাশে
বাইরের সাউন্ডটা কি বাদ দেওয়া যায় না
Don't have to speak
আচ্ছা
while
বাইরের সাউন্ডটা কি বন্ধ করতে
না এটা তো এই সাউন্ডটা আপনি এনে পাইতেছেন
না ওটা তো হলো আন্ডারগ্রাউন্ডে থাকলে তো হতো।
Don't speak when you are doing pinpointing.
দুটো সাউন্ডের মধ্যে আমি স্পার্ক করবো তখন না তো ফলো করবো, এটা তো আপনাদের কথারও সাউন্ড হচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ, বুঝছেন না? এটা তো মাটির নিচে থাকে, এই সাউন্ডটা তো আসবে। এই ওইটাই তো বলছি আমি, তাহলে এই সাউন্ডটা বাদ না শোনার কোনো উপায় আছে কিনা? আমি কথা বললেও তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি সাইড ডক খুলে, তো সেটা শুনলে তো সমস্যা না। বল অলরেডি না বল, না বল, সবাই তো কথা কইতেছি না।
Background noise rejection off.
আপনি নেন, আবার নেন, কানে নেন।
100% it will not repeat.
আমি কিন্তু গাড়ি শুনতেছি না, আমি তো শুনি না। বর্তমান অ্যারেস্ট আছে কি ভয়েস তো বেশি কথা কই না।
When lower milliseconds is there, more sound, just walk.
পিন পয়েন্টে সাউন্ডটা বেশি আছে। আমি স্পার্ক হবে তখন
Off.
অফ করেন।
কথা সাউন্ড কি অফ করা যায় না? বলি বলবো না, ওই সাবির ভাই করা যাবে এটা?
TDR done. See.
ইকুইপমেন্ট এন্ড
TDR means
Time domain reflectometer.
রিফ্লেক্টোমিটার বা রিফ্লেকশন,
ARM.
Arc reflection method.
খালি আর্ক লাগাই দেন তাহলে হবে।
Suppose this is the home screen.
Ah,
Press down.
yes.
History will come.
Press down.
Yeah.
দেখে
Port 23.
This is like a joystick.
Yeah. Joysticks. Wait. Just press like this. It is selected now. What graph you want to take.
Just এদিকে
Okay.
চাপ দিলে রাইট
Select,
মানে
হ্যাঁ।
সিলেক্ট
হ্যাঁ।
If you will enter, you will see the result then.
Okay.
ওকে এনাফ
Okay. Enough.
এনাফ এটা প্লিজ।
So
Wait.
come enter. Back. Settings.
System.
Yeah. System. Sorry. Export. Export measurement.
ডাটা
Export measurement. No. Okay. Done.
এক্সপোর্ট
Take it.